Back to the Millionaire Logistics YouTube channel, and on this channel, guys, we talk about forex trading, how I trade my forex, and I'm going to show you exactly how I use my analysis, my MLX IVT trading concept and strategy to make profit off the forex market. So today's content will be titled "Best Way to Trade Forex Profitably." Okay, so guys, we'll be testing the chart. There's a live chart here, the pound USD, and we're on the 15 minutes chart time frame, guys. And so we'll be testing the chart from where? From the 22nd of March right up to today, being the 24th of March. So guys, remember, if you're new on this channel, if you're just coming by this channel, guys, a whole lot of amazing stuff regarding our forex happens here. So don't forget, guys, to join the family by following the Millionaire Logistics YouTube channel here on YouTube, by subscribing to the channel. And don't forget, guys, to like the content at any point which you love. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section as we trade forex in Millionaire Logistics. So guys, here we are on the chart, guys. Straight up, I'm going to show you exactly how I trade my my own forex, guys. So like guys, I want to know what the market sentiments, day trading within the day. So if the market sentiment is going upwards, right, for my analysis, I use my Fibonacci tool, one of the most important tools I use. And then remember, guys, this is a high, so I want to see the market make what? A higher low, just like this, and I want to enter the market up to this point and then trade the market higher. Or peradventure, guys, I catch the market somewhere around here. Catch the market, I'm going to tell you exactly when I do that, okay? I want to trade a corrective move up to a point, maybe the 71.9. But guys, whatever I do, guys, I don't want to take more than 20 pips off the market. Remember, this is something I do every day and I do it consistently, all right? So within the few days, we're going to backtest this chart. I'm going to show you exactly where I took my trades from and how I took 20 pips off the market, in and out. So guys, you want to see more? Let's hook. So guys, aside this, guys, I want to trade the market at the most active section. Remember, guys, I'm an expert in trading the pound USD, GBP USD, and then while I'm trading this, guys, I'm taking cognizance of what? The most active trading session, being the London trading session and the New York trading session. As you can see here, guys, you can see the trading tool that I use on that trading indicator that shows exactly what period the trade sessions. Okay, you can see here, you can see period separators right here, and you can see trade session separators. Okay, London, New York, and Tokyo section. And again, guys, simple market dynamics, technical analysis. I just want to trade simple market structure: higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows. So guys, you get the concept. Let's hit the chart. So right here, guys, this is 22nd of March. This is where I start trading the market. This is the London session, guys, and now I take cognizance of what the market did before the session. This is the move, the lowest and what the highest before the London session. Okay, so this is what I see here, an up move. So guys, since it's an up move, guys, I want to wait for a corrective move to the downside. So this is the high, and I want to wait for a higher low right here. And then this is where I want to trade the market from to take the market higher. So let's see if it works here, okay? So I come in here using my Fibonacci tool and I place it right here, no guess. And then this is the session right here, okay? So what have we done here? We have here the lowest point where the market is coming from, and then the highest point before the London session. Guys, okay, so this is exactly where I found the market. Right here, the market has just tested before the session at the 50 Fib level. Remember, guys, if you don't know much about Fibonacci tool or exactly how I use it, you can search for how to use the Fibonacci tool and the Fibonacci numbers. I'm not going to deal with that in this particular content. But if you check other of my contents, guys, you're going to see how I use these Fibonacci numbers to enter my trades. So guys, right here, just at the 38.0 Fib level, this was exactly where I took my trade on, and I took 20 pips off the minus 0.27 level, and this is exactly how I made profit off the market. And once I hit that target, I left the market. Guys, was it easy? Yes? No? Okay. I'll still throw more insight on it. So when I hit my target, guys, I leave the market instantly for the next day. And then I come here. This is the next day, guys. What do we have here? we have the market going from our lowest point to the highest point right here as we have. So this is exactly what I'm looking for, the market from the lowest point to the highest point. I want to wait for what? A corrective move, right? And then I want to trade the market upwards, being that the market will make what? A high, a higher low, right here you have a higher low and then a higher high, something that will push the market to the upside. But guys, like I told you, the eventuality I find this market, somehow I also trade corrective moves, being that I could trade the market from this high to the higher low. Now, how do I do that? That brings us here. Okay, so guys, remember what I trade with time trading sessions. So when I see the market making a high at this point, and then I see what that the London session starts just at this point, at the high side, guys, I watch for possible sell scenarios where I can sell the market, because this was where I caught the market, the London session. Very ripe, very through. And then I want to trade what? Using the Fibonacci tools, and trade within the Fibonacci numbers in the levels, and wherever the market stops, I just want to take it to that level, owing to the fact that the market could react at any point to the intended direction. Okay, now let's see how I did that in this chart. So we have here the lowest point, and we also have here, this is the London session, we have here the highest point before the London session. Okay, now this is exactly how I traded the market, guys. I use my Fibonacci to simply, from the beginning where we have the the highest point before the London session. Okay, and now what do we have here, guys? This was where the London session started. So anywhere from this zero, this is where I want to take my trades from. Okay, so looking at the market, you can see that we saw the market in between the range. So somehow someone can actually take here, and perhaps we use stop losses as well. So my stop loss, I'm going to teach you in the special content how I place my stop loss, guys. So hook up to the channel. If you're not there, subscribe to the channel and be a part of progress, be a part of the profitable forex traders. Okay, now this would be my target. Any of these levels are my target: the 38, the 50, the 61.8. Whichever place I find my first 20 pips, that's exactly where I'm looking at. So guys, personally, as the market started here, I entered my trade here. This was where I entered my trade, and my stop loss, I set my stop loss above at least 15 pips to the upside, and then my target was around the 38.0, and I got off the market with about 27 pips in my own personal trading, guys. So when this is done, I leave the market and I proceed to the following day. Now, if you've noticed what I do here, guys, I trade just the London session. The London session. Now, if I'm not trading the London session, guys, I can also trade the New York session. Okay, I'm going to tell you just how we do that, okay, in a jiffy. So let's test the next market. Okay, now looking at this market here, this is the 24th of March. What can you see? What can you see? Okay, now we have the reverse. We have the market coming from the upside to the lowest point. So we have a market of this scenario. Okay, so seeing the market of this scenario, guys, we want to trade this coming from a highest point to low. So we have a low here. We want to wait for a lower high and we want to trade the market at the lower high here. We want to enter a trade with the expectation that the market will fall lower. Okay, so this is the kind of move we were expecting, all right, to the downside. Now, did it work out? You tell me. But let's go on to the chart and let's see what happened here. All right, so seeing the market from the highest point to the lowest point before the London session, this is exactly how I approach the market. Okay, using my Fibonacci tool once again. This is the indication candle. All right, and I placed it just right here. Okay, fine, this is it. So let me zoom in a bit so we can have, okay, so guys, this is it. Now, what do we have here, guys? We see the price even making a move to the downside. But remember, guys, this is our target, the 79.0. So you can see how market moved into this zone right here, and at this point, guys, you can see the move to this downside, exactly as we expected. So this was a trade I took today, and I made very good profit, guys. So entering the market, guys, at the 79, I entered too early. I entered the market around here and set my stop loss just above the 100 100 fib level here, and then my target was right here, 22 pips. So I got 22 pips off this market. So I exited my trade at where the base, at the range 0.00, okay, 0.00. So I entered my trade here, guys, and I got off here profitably. Yes, I did. So consistently, guys, this is the strategy I use. This strategy I've been using to extort 20 pips off the Forex market, and I think this content best way to trade Forex profitably. Day trading, of course. Alright, guys, so remember I promised I was going to show you exactly why at this point, so that I was going to show you, okay, somehow if I'm to trade the New York session, how I was going to do it. So the sentiment before the New York session still remains the same. I used the lowest point of the day to the highest point before the New York session. In this scenario, guys, we expect this, the highest point. So we still want to trade either a corrective move or an impulsive move to the upside. So I'm going to use this particular market to test exactly what happened in this chart. So let's see how it played out. Okay. Remember, guys, first I use my Fibonacci tool. Very important. I use my Fibonacci tool, and since the market is still forging its way to the upside before the London session, this is exactly what we have here. Cool. All right. Now, looking at the London session, guys, what do you have? You've already seen a market. You've already seen price go up, and you've seen price come down. Within the New York session, what can you tell? You can see that price is reacting at where the 61.8 after this price accumulation here, which I'm also going to explain in a different content, guys. So right here, what are the significant things you can see? You can see this is a hammer, a bullish hammer. This is a bullish sign of price going to the upside, guys, of price going to the upside. And most importantly, this is an opportunity to trade, right? This is an opportunity to trade. So if you are just waited here, being that, okay, price has just broken down here, maybe you saw this move, you can take the 61 at this point. You can enter anywhere around here, guys, anywhere around here, sorry. You can enter anywhere around here, guys, or even here, and voila, 26 pips this upside, 20 pips, whichever way, you get your 20 pips and you're off the market. So guys, if you love this very simple trading concept and trading approach exclusive to the Millionaire Logistics, guys, don't forget, guys, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to be a part of this. You can watch as many contents that we've made available on this channel. Peruse it, and definitely you're going to learn a thing or two and improve your Forex trading, guys. And don't forget, guys, Millionaire Logistics, we're active on Facebook, Millionaire Logistics, Instagram, Millionaire Logistics, and then on TikTok, guys, on TikTok where we have fun, Millionaire Logistics. So guys, thank you. So we see some of that week, and where we'll do this again and show you exactly how we do these things, right? Thank you.